Hello, my name is Ben, and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where I've decided to delay warring for just a little bit. Decided that I'm only going to go into one war. And before anything else happens, I've decided that I would like to get all of my boats in one place. So we're going to go to war with the Aztecs, but we have to go to war through probably Ulm, or we'll declare war on the Democratic Valmanax League. It's probably what we'll do. It's gonna be interesting, like putting together the right war goals. I was looking at it, and it's pretty crazy. The reason I'm delaying so much is because I'm not quite sure where the military is gonna come from. The only place that has like a really nice military is actually these guys. They have equivalent military power to us. Speaking of military power, I put together a heavy carrier that looks a lot like this, and a light carrier looks a little like this. It looks so dinky next to the battleship. Yeah. Basically, they'll both sit back, shoot at anything that comes towards them, and lob a couple torpedoes while their fighters and bombers do the job. So that is what's going on. So I'm going to upgrade a couple of my fleets. I'm going to get all my fleets right into here first, to Trinic. And then we'll probably declare the war. I found a spot. Oh, and I did this deal with the Byzantines. Yeah, migration access and a research agreement, and I gave them some cash. Because we're getting kind of high on cash again. So there's that. I found this planet, and when I went to armies, and you go to recruit, and you can recruit 3 different types of strong army. The French, who are here, the Aztec, who are here, and these guys, the Kraxroks, and they, it turns out, are strong as well. I don't even know where their homeworld is, I'll be completely honest. I'm not sure where these guys came from. But they're here, and this guy's actually pretty happy. So, good times, I suppose. Good times. Anyway, so I decided to... So in my other places, I am recruiting ugly French psi-armies. Here, I'm recruiting terrifying Aztec psi-armies, so I'm pretty happy with that. We have a total of 9... Wait, well, we have 3 done, 6 more in the pipe. So we'll see what happens. I queued up also another... Oh, just another cruiser. So, there's that. Anyway, let's see what else goes on. And I renamed a couple of repeats. In terms of planets that had the same name, just to deal with some confusion.
System survey complete.
Thank you. Okay. Hang on. Powerful pop factions. Who do we got? Oh, the Korean Homelanders. Look. Oh, shoot. I also spent a lot of my influence making people happy, giving people food, and what else was there? There were a couple different things I did. Oh, and I turned up some mineral stuff, I turned up minerals in one place. It was, yeah, I did a variety of things with my influence, because we're about to go to war, and we're about to hopefully get a bunch of influence. Construction ships. Why don't you be less lazy and go here? Enter orbit. You too. Considering we're not going to be going to war with Korea anytime soon, might as well just stick in there.
Construction complete.
Castilian Patriarchs. Yeah.
System survey complete. Ships upgraded. Construction complete. System survey complete. Construction complete. Construction complete.
Okay, here we go. Who's this? This is a colony. That's right, this colony ship. Yes, yes, yes. Come on down to here. Colonize planet. Probably gonna stick it right. Ooh. Well, it's gonna go there. We're gonna have to. We're not gonna get any benefit from this tile. In terms of having the thing there, but it's okay. Yes. Okay. Oh. And I outfitted these armies with... So I outfitted these armies with psi-warriors. So I heard you like psi-warriors, so I put some psi-warriors on your psi-warriors. So, yeah, okay. Oh, this colony ship. What are you doing? Oh, that's right. We're still not quite sure what we're going to do with that. Oh, that's the Castilians. Oh, yeah, okay. That's this one. Come on down to this space. Actually, I have a couple colony ships on the way. Okay, you're already going there. Okay, sweet. I have a colony ship going to that spot. Oh, this colony ship is going to... Yeah, you're gonna go here. Unfortunately, like, the bad part about this spot is that we're gonna be... Yeah. We're gonna be fighting a war in that area, actually. So, good times. Maybe that's where our fleet's gonna go. There we go. Look at that. Science ship. Hang on. Hang on. Oh. I wish it would tell you when stuff like this happens. So we just finished... We annexed these guys. Now, they're not going to be very happy about it. Yeah, see, they're not very happy. Recently conquered. Yeah, well, kind of. We also gave you all of your... give you all the technology you currently have. So, yeah, whatever. So this science ship is just going to, I think it's just going to disband, actually. Yep. Don't need that science ship, because, well, the reason... No, actually, no, hang on. I just realized. I have a free scientist. Yeah, okay. In that case, this science ship is going to go to Venice. Veneto. Oh, he can't come here? What? Yeah, he can. Everybody is still in my territory, right? Yeah. What is this? Out of reach. We need to build more wormhole stations closer to the system. Oh, this is a wormhole thing. Yeah. Goodbye. Yep, it's a wormhole. It's a wormhole ship. Okay. Hang on. Where's this? It's another heavy hitter. Oh, nice. Okay, let's get all of the ships over to about... maybe here? And we're losing money. It's fine, we have plenty. What's this colony ship doing? Oh yeah, he's supposed to enter orbit. Can you not enter orbit? Enter orbit. There you go. Need to remember that it's there. Yep, lazy colony ship. Lazy colony ship. Oh, hey, what's this? The Habsburgs have recalled their embassy. Yep. Probably because I rivaled them. Oh, it's another fleet. Yep, so many fleets. So many fleets. Oh, good. The Democratic Valmanax League has declared the Teutonic Order their rival. Okay, well, actually, hang on. Who are our rivals again? Where's us? Korean Directorate, Aztec Empire, Habsburg Confederation. Let's unrival the Koreans for now. We'll get you back. We have no intention of forgiving the Serene Republic of Venice. Yeah, I imagine you don't. And then, oh, construction ship. I'll have to deal with you in a sec. And then you declare rivalry. Do you think to impress anyone with your boisterousness? No, I intend to impress you with my battleships. That's what's gonna happen. Yeah, see, there we go. Construction ship. Yeah, see, you can't go there. Because you are a wormhole fleet. Hang on. Oh, crap. No wonder I'm losing so much money. Disband this wormhole station. Yes, thank you. Actually, was that even costing me anything? Look. Look, you. I don't want no part of this, see? Disband, yes. Alright. Okay, where are my fleets at?
Research complete.
Okay, they're still on their way. Yeesh. Okay. Technology researched. Sweet. Bigger borders. Oh, nice. Okay, tile blockers or tropical world. I think we're gonna go tropical world, actually. Because there are so many tropical worlds we want. Let's do it. It's 28 months. It's not that bad. What else is there? Nothing else. Okay, clone army. We'll see. What are clone vats? Okay, required for the creation of clone armies. Nope, nope, nope. Now, we have our psi-warriors. We're fine. The Habsburgs have rivaled us, and there's that. Okay. Cool. Will you not cease your mean-spirited campaigning? No, I won't, actually.
Construction complete. System survey complete. System survey complete.
Nice. Oh, Schiaparelli's busy. Or is no longer busy. That's so sad. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, we can get back. Oh, nice. Guys, look. Look. Because of that most recent tech that we got, we can actually travel through this region. Oh, hey, you. No, that's Schiaparelli. Schiaparelli can do what Schiaparelli wants to. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. And that is my lovely cat. Why don't you survey that system? Sorry, kitten. Of course, I start recording right before she wakes up and realizes that it's in fact time for her to get fed. Of course. In fact, tell you what, I will probably interrupt this episode just in time to Korean Directorate has declared Teutonic Order their arrival. Yes. Oh yeah. So what's going to happen probably is that I'm going to halt the recording so that I can start the
Construction complete.
There's a cat trying in a very awkward way to get into my lap right now. I'm very sorry. It's quite distracting. Okay, maybe I'm gonna... okay, where are my fleets? Where are my fleets at? Not close enough. Okay, there you go. There you go, cat. She's basically trying to, like, jump through the table, and it wasn't working very well. Oh, we have way too many minerals right now. Ooh, we're gonna have to do something about that, I think. Including, actually, hey, manage sectors. Cat, please do not do that. Manage sector, tornado sector. Hey, nope, don't do that. Finish. Oh, actually, yeah, I do want to do that. Tornado sector, manage sector. Pick that up. Oh, hey, neat. I should actually be able to... Huh. These are new. I should actually be able to, First off, does this cost influence? No, it doesn't. We are going to make one big sector. There we go. Interesting. Okay. Fun times. That is what's going to happen. Okay. Finish. Now, tornado sector. Let me give you a bunch of minerals. There. Have minerals. Have lots of minerals. And then go research focus. There we go. Have more minerals. There we go. Yeah, look at that. And that saves us on sectors. We're at 6 of 14. Wow. Okay, cool. Oh, owned planets gives you additional sectors. Okay, good to know.
Construction complete.
Spaceport of Trieste. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, that extra influence really, really changed some things. Oh, and so did that. Okay. I'm gonna rethink this war because of that, that whole thing. Okay, interesting. Interestinger and interestinger. Yeah, we're gonna take that. It's time to... Yeah, okay. Alright. Yeah, this whole border thing really, really changed a lot. Look at my font now. Look at my font now! Yeah, buddy. Okay. 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 Sorry, I'm taking a look at some stuff. Okay. Where's that one colony ship? You're right. Oh, you're way over there. Yeek. Let's let my fleets get into position. Wow, we're losing a lot of money right now. Ooh, crap. Makes me wonder. Hey, tornado sector. No, you're not actually earning that much money. So never mind.
Special project complete.
What is this? The team undersigns officer Francesco Morosino has finished their expedition on Arcturus 5A and returned to the Calliope. It's not called the Calliope, it's called the Galilei. Thankfully, the starship graveyard on the surface proved to be a technological treasure trove, studying the remains of something, something, something. Oh, Arcturus 5A gets +3 research. Good. Good times. Science ship Galilei. Come on home. Get out of harm's way. Actually, we don't have anybody on hang on. Hang on one second. Sorry about that. My keyboard actually stopped working, but things are good now. So this is going to be the weirdest peace deal you've ever seen, sort of. We are getting this thing, this thing, this thing, this Ulmer sort of deal down here. This thing right there. And then we'll fill this in. And then we're also getting Stellar and Mesa. So we're getting all this region up in here. Plus this little thing that just got plunked down right there. We're getting that. And then in order to get the Teutons and the Byzantines to go along with it, what I said was that they each get to liberate... One gets to liberate that little guy right there, and the other gets to liberate this little guy right there. And I think they'll form one little, like, confederation, something or other, and they'll probably become someone's vassal or something. It'll be cute. It'll be cute. So I think I'm going to go with this. I think our ships aren't completely where they need to be. It's fine. It's fine. Where's that fleet? Oh, it's kind of up there, isn't it? Well, whatever. Oh, shoot! Oh, crud. Just a second. I looked at where it was and whatever. Look. I'll just let the I'll just let time go by. Yeah, I had to quit the game. We'll just get everybody down here.
Construction complete. Colony established.
Okay, where is that? Actually, where was that? Oh yeah, over here. Cool. Oh no. What? No. Oh, this stuff right there. Okay, cool. Galilei, where are you?
System survey complete.
Galilei, don't be lazy. Galilei, come to... Oh, that's what was going on. That's right. Galilei, come to... It's hard to tell where I am now that my borders just grew a bunch. Go here and upgrade fleet to latest designs, and then assist research. There you go. Cassini. Sweet. Cassini can actually... No, Cassini can't. Cassini, hide. Cassini, hide. Just stay there and don't do anything terrible. Oh, construction ships. Get on over here. Build mining stations. And you... Wait, what? And you build research stations. Bug me later. Alright. Where are these guys? My 11,000 stack. Still losing money. It's probably gonna be fine. I think. I think. The native life of Spalato. Here we go. Okay. The native life of Spalato was built on an epic scale, far larger than anyone previously thought was possible for biological life. The question now on the minds of the researchers is, what is their secret and can we benefit from it? Proposals to study the native life in greater detail are flooding in. So here's the thing. We could probably get really good... I don't know what Titanic life monitoring actually does. No, leave the giants alone does nothing. Proceed with their study could get us Titanic life armies. Or it could cause us to lose the planet. I don't know what that does. You know, just a second. We'll see what this does. Special project, Titanic life monitoring. Just one moment. All right, I looked up the events files. Well, okay, I looked up the wiki, whatever. Okay, so it turns out that this is basically just a better version of this. This gives us a 90% chance that we'll succeed. This gives us a 70% chance that we'll succeed. Of course, we're going with the 90%. Let's do it.
Situation log updated.
And then that gives us Titanic life monitoring available. It's 1500 research. Yeah, we'll delay it. It's fine. It's actually only going to be 5 months. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, powerful pop factions. Let's start with the Korean homelanders. Hey, look, Korea. I mean, I know it's been tough. It has been. Why don't you integrate better into our society a little bit? And then, why don't... Oh, hey, it's something to do with our money. Sweet. And then how about if you just don't hear anything about what's going on? Okay, thanks. Okay, cool. And then by the time our people are back, let's let the Titanic life thing pop.
Established.
And too many something or other. Colony. Who is that? Lepanto, where are you? Oh, yeah. Actually, I want to keep you. Oh, two things. I want to keep you, but also... Yeah, Sabinico, you need to be your own thing. It's time. Sabinico, I'm sorry. It's over between us. Actually, you'll still be part of our thing. Just, Sabinico. Create new sector. That, and that. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Finish. You should have some... We should get you some, minerals or something. Spenico, here, have some of that. There you go. And then maybe like $100 to get you started. Oh, and don't give me anything. Like, anything at all. Yeah. Just do what you gotta do. Alright. Okay. Construction ship Meucci. Who are you? Where are you? Oh, Negroponte. You know what, I'm just gonna... No, I'm not gonna disband you. Come here and build me some mining stations. There you go. Okay. Now Lepanto. Guess what? Hey, guess... Okay, let's go to contacts. Species. Polish. Where are we? Polish. Modify on Lepanto only. Wrong Lepanto, but that's okay. Here we are. Tundra World. There we go. Oh, that's not going to take very long at all. Yeah, okay. Modify. That's going to be under a month. We are going to make them... Oh, wait, no. No, we're not doing slope readers. Yeah, we are doing slope readers. We're also going to make them Tundra preference. This will modify the Polish species on that spot. Hopefully this works.
Situation log updated.
Modify the Polish species. Adding traits, Tundra preference. Removing traits, slope readers, Arctic preference. And go. Okay, cool. I'm pretty jazzed about that. And then we'll have a really awesome tundra species to do stuff with. To settle Tundra worlds
System
with.
survey complete.
Alright. Oh, Skipperelli, what are you doing? Okay. That's very nice. Now, come home. Come to Veneto. Upgrade fleet, and then assist research. Excellent. Cassini will do the same thing too once this war is over.
Construction complete.
Ooh, sweet. The Blessed Kroll Principality. They're my... Oh, these guys are my, my dudes. My vassals. Is the Serene Republic of Venice even a real nation, or just an anarchic gaggle of quarreling individuals? You must forgive me, but your political system, such as it is, makes it hard to tell. It's true. We have a whole bunch of really interesting people just sort of like under this really weird empire at this point. I don't know what actually keeps us together, other than the fact that the game doesn't really let them revolt very well. Anyway. Okay, we finished some things, we finished some stuff, and we finished a few more things. Powerful pop. Oh, wow. Now the Aztecs are going at it. Aztecs. Don't be stupid. Okay, let's let a few things happen here. One, let's let this colony start, so they can't just snipe my colony ship. They might occupy the planet, but that's okay. I'm not sure that the planet's inhabitants would quite see it that way, but it's okay to me, right? I may have overbuilt vessels. That's okay. We'll get a few of them blown up. It'll be fine.
Special project complete.
After a period of research and study, the scientists on Spalato have managed to make a breakthrough and achieve limited communications with some of the Titans. While huge, slow, and difficult to talk to, the Titans are incredibly tough and strong. Some few have expressed a desire to join our military forces, where they will undoubtedly be an incredible asset. Titanic beasts can be recruited here, and even areas with high numbers of Titanic life are safe for colonists now. Done. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let me check that out once our fleets get merged up. They are merging up, right?
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Okay. A large group of refugees from the underground alien empire on Trau recently streamed out of the tunnels onto the surface, chased by a small army. They are apparently part of some sort of religious minority and claim to be fleeing persecution. We let them join our colonists on the surface. If we let them join our colonists on the surface, it will no doubt anger the rulers of the empire they fled from. However, if we let the pursuing army take them back underground, they will likely face mass execution. Relations with the subterranean civilization will be improved. Interesting. Let me go to that place, actually. Is there like a maximum army size? Or fleet size? There might be. So they're just not joining up. There's Trau. Let's go up to Trau. Is it here? I always forget where it is. Kastan. I figured this would be like a war place, but this is yeah, a war episode, but there's no war episode. I don't see any folks that I wouldn't otherwise suspect of being here. Huh. Okay, I figured that we would get another pop or something, but because there was no space, I guess that didn't happen. And hey, real quick question. How is this doing? Lepanto. Are you... Not yet. Researching. Okay, that'll take another month. Now I want to see this. I want to see these giants. Spalato armies recruit Titanic beast. There we go. See, they don't do that much damage, but their health is obscene. Like, our psi-warriors actually do more damage, but our psi-warriors have like a third or less the health, maybe even like 20%. Let's build some of these. And you can only have 3 in your entire army. So, there we go. Well, I think we're going to leave it there, partly just because I actually have to sneeze. No, we'll probably be fine. Okay. I don't know why these fleets are not... How come you're not merging up? I don't understand. There we go. There must be at least 2 military fleets with the same FTL type. What is this? That is not... Oh. Oops. These guys need to be disbanded. These corvettes, I think our vassal made them. That explains it. Sorry, dudes. Go home. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, enter orbit. And then, are we saving money? No, we're not. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to figure out how to get a little bit more money. I think it's going to come down to planets. Who's earning money? Actually, nobody's really getting that much money. Zara, I'm gonna have to steal from you a little bit. Florida. Oh yeah, I renamed this place Florida. I figured it's shaped funny. It has a bunch of weird people, and it's to my southeast of the, or to the southeast of the rest of my my empire. Yeah, it's definitely Florida. Okay, why don't you pay me a little something? Why don't you pay me a little more? There we go. I can deal with that. Well, I think now that things are going the way they're going, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call it an episode, and then next episode we will start off with a war deck. We will start off with a war deck with a pretty big fleet. We have 2 heavy hitter battleships in there. Pretty big fleet, ready to just wreck the British. That's pretty much what we're gonna start with. Just wreck the British and make these guys come to us. I think that's what we're gonna do. I think that's what we're gonna do, but I think it's what we're gonna do next time. Oh hey, the Byzantines are probably gonna go after the Aztecs. That'll be nice. Oh yeah, that'll be nice. Byzantines, how's your army? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. By the way, this is a Prussian. Nice. Nice. Also, I found out the Prussians and the Japanese both sort of live in there. Oh, so do the Ming and somebody else. Yeah, it's crazy. Man, Byzantines. Yeah, man, Byzantines. Anyway, on that note, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I look forward to seeing you next time when we declare a nice war. We're still the president, right? I didn't let that much time go by, did we? No, okay, we still got time. We still got time. We still got time. Okay, bye, folks.